Okay. Man, what's poppin', y'all? How y'all doing? It's good to see people. See you. Yeah, man, but listen, in today's video, we about to be going over some Pyrex and Southside, just that classic 808 Mafia. I'm talking about like that slow down 115, just that low grimy, just, them boys be having like just that scary sounding, ghostly, grimy shit, you know what I'm saying? Stop doing all this talking and we're gonna play the video. But before I do that, I want to thank y'all for I think I'm at like 180 subscribers, almost 185. I think that's what it's at. But man, listen, I appreciate every last one of y'all. You dig? We moving, you know what I'm saying? We moving, but let's get to the beat though. Okay, this is what's going on. My fault. Now listen, I'm about to give y'all some sauce right quick because that shit not hitting like it's supposed to. I'm like, what the hell is going on? So over here, I got my arm. This is AUM. This is it's like a mixer that could tie all of the apps that you have together on some levels. But I just basically use it for this. This is my drip right here. Starting the video off with some sauce. But look, I throw my Koala Sampler through I think I showed this to you before already, but this is how I get my shit to really hit for real. But I got my Koala Sampler running as like the main thing right here, and I got the drums that not clipper as the as the audio VST, the effect, whatever you want to say. Okay, so now let's play this shit. It should sound a little bit better. Damn, I'm doing too much, bro. Playing all the wrong shit. There we go. Yeah, man, I don't know, dog. I think that that shit sound kind of cool to me, man. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, let's go ahead. We about to break this bit down. You know what I'm saying? And once again, bro, the reason why I'm making this videos or these type of tutorials or whatever you want to call it is because I'm emphasizing on this shit could be done on the iPad, bro. I'm emphasizing that, nigga, you could cook up on this and bring this to the studio and get placements. This, like, you know what I'm saying? Your shit could be studio ready, and like that's the whole thing. I just like we in the future. It's 2024. Like right now, I'm at work right now. I'm a barber, and listen, I just figured out how to share my screen and all that type shit. But listen, if I get enough likes, I'll shut the screen in the barbershop while I'm doing these videos, you know what I'm saying, while I'm doing my tutorials. Like I'll set up in, you know what I'm saying? You get what I'm saying. But anyway, okay, we about to start off with a loop, with a sample, and it goes a little something like this. As a matter of fact, I'ma move this around so I can show you how the original sample sound. Okay, now this right here, this is what the sample sound like before I did anything to it. It's faster, and all I did was so it's fast. I just basically, when I came over here, I just slowed it down 5 semitones, down 5 semitones, and I just stretched it out, you know what I'm saying? I chopped it, as you can see, I chopped it there, and I just stretched it out for 8 bars. That's the first part. And this right here is basically this first that's that, but it's just it's up 8 octaves. Not 8 octaves, you know what I'm saying? It's up 12. You know what I'm saying? I just pitched it up 12. You know what I'm saying? It just pitched up 12. And that's what you know. Yeah, okay. So for both of these samples, I got a little EQ on both of them. See that one right there? Just cut out the lows. Same for over here, cut out the lows and just raise it up a little bit, bumped it up. And yeah, that's another one. It's basically chopped out the lows on them. Oh shit. Oh fuck. Okay, here we go. Okay, and right here is, this is all my beats. 808 hit. Yeah, okay. You just see what's going on here. Okay. And that's the beginning right there. And that's basically just a hi-hat and a rim shot. Okay. As you can see, I threw all of that in. That's the hi-hats. And I'm gonna cook up for real. I'm gonna cook up live one of these times. Get my life together. And it's the snare for the rim shot. Ooh, that 808 coming crazy. Alright, so then I only have like maybe 5 or 6 sounds on here. Yeah, I got this too. This is an open hi-hat. It's on the 1, 3, 5, and what is that? The 7, 9. Excuse me, down. Yeah. So all right. Hold on. Let me go. And this is all right. So all right, bam. This is the other part right here. Now, as you can see, like I said, I pitched the sample. These are samples right here. But I got them all. Let me see. I got all my samples routed to one track over here in a mixer. And this one right here. And on that, I got a delay. You hear that delay? Give it some space. I gave it space in the mix. I just make it just sound fuller, you know, take up space. And then the phaser. And see what the phaser be doing. The phaser like make it move from, you know what I'm saying? Like that, like the delay just like an echo almost. But like the phaser kind of like make it move around. You know what I'm saying? Like it phases the sound basically. So that's what that do. And then I put another EQ on here just to make sure, because you gotta have the 808 to come to beat through, because that's the main part. The 808 gotta come through, and the 808 about to come in. Ooh, yeah. Trying to bump that 808 up a little bit. Ooh. Yeah, that's about it, man. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate y'all for coming through this time. I'm about to be making some more videos. Like I said, man, I'm gonna continue to keep on doing this, and like my emphasis is that nigga is making beats that you can really cook up beats on the fly. You don't gotta be in the studio. You don't gotta be, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? At the crib, you could just go with the flow, and that's what I'm making these videos for. Let me know, man, if you like it. I appreciate y'all. Y'all be safe. Thank you for your attention. Goddamn.